Just imagine this is a one string, right? So normally the string, see here, the string letters, there is an index. Normally you count from the starting, right? O is in one position, right? No, so you have to start from the 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 like this, 0, 1, 2 like this. So you have to start from the, okay. For example, if you see here, I'm just giving the in this place. Okay, so username dot substring of, see, there is a two methods, store methods. So yesterday you learned about the signature, right? So first method is, so one starting index. If you give the starting index, it will give the from the starting to ending. For example, see here, this is a one, right? This is a one. For example, let's go to the notepad and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, so like this. So in the 0th position, R is there. First position, 1. Like that. You have to give the index. I'm just giving the index 6. 6. From 6 onwards, it will give. See, I'm just giving the first method. So keep in mind, substring method you can use in two ways. The first one is it will give the starting index. See, you give the 6, right? 6, right? And it from the 6 onwards, it will give to up to end. Got it? If you give the 7, because at the rate is coming, right? 7. See the phone number. Just imagine the phone number. So in this case, if I give the name is Rakesh Ravi Kumar, this will change because the index will change. Number of characters is different, right? So that's why it is giving the Ravi Kumar. So after the 7 onwards, right? So the first way is, how can we get the first way is you have to give the starting index from where it has to start, and you are not specifying the how many number of characters you want to cut, right? That's why it is cutting from the that particular starting index to the end. Okay, so the other method is other signature. See here, other signature. So starting index and the length in the sense you have to start from that. Okay. For example, see here. So if you give 7 here, 7 is the index, and from the 7, how many characters you want? Got it? So 1, calculate from the 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 characters you want, right? So I'm just giving the same example. Same example. Giving the 7 comma 5. See, 7 comma 5. It will start. The starting index is a first parameter, is the first argument is the starting index, and it is starting from that and calculate up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I. We have to give the 6. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? 6. You understand? First argument is both are integers. The first one is a starting index. Next one is a length from that particular starting index. For example, just ping in the chart window. If I want to get this one, only this one, okay, how can I get? What is the starting index? Just use the 3, 5 like that. 7, okay. Type in the chat window. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So use the 7,3. There's a pub. It will give the pub. Okay. See, you are correct. For example, I want from this to this. Ongol public. 0,12. Okay, let's give. 0 is correct. 0,12. Okay. 12 or 13. That's okay. So some people give the 11. See, 12 we gave. C is missing. Most of the people you gave the 12. Only one person. So who is that person? Simran. Okay. Give the 13. Okay. Okay. See here. So just keep in mind number of if you calculate so number of items. So if you just count the number of items. See, it is a 13, 0, 13. So starting from the 0, count from here 1, 2, 3, right? Count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is a 13. You understand? So now tell me this one I want. Just type in the chat window. Type in the chat window. 14,4. Perfect. Okay, not 17. That's what. So someone Girish is saying the 17. Okay. So 14 is the starting index. From here you have to calculate 1, 2, 3 like that. Not from the starting. Okay. Okay. Now let us take the another one. Okay. I want like a so up to here. Tell me. What is the syntax? That means so starting index and length. It's a 2,9, not 10. Okay, Damayanti. It's a 2, not 3. Mahendra. Okay, so you see while it is giving the string. See here, while you are just 2, just give the 9, 2,9. It's a very simple. So starting index. See. G from G to L, it's coming correctly, right? G to L. You understand? Okay. So you have to starting index is you have to calculate from the 0. Then, okay. So now tell me, I want to get this one. Okay. How can I get? What is the syntax of the substring? Substring syntax. 14. Okay, 14,6, but as it is a last number, I can give the 14. Okay, 14. You understand? If you give the 14, that's also enough because it's like a last word from the 14. Also you can give, or 14,6 also you can give. Okay, you understand? That is a substring. Substring you can use in two ways. One is like a substring you can use in the two ways. One is like a so it has a two numbers. If you use 0, what is the 0? 0, 14. What, Dinesh? Comma 0. This one you are asking? Only 0? Yeah, if you give the 0, it will start from the 0 and it will give the entire thing. 0, the whole string. See? Because it is starting from the 0 and give the whole string, entire string. Got it?